Okay, thanks again and welcome to our number 4 video. For this video presentation, we're going to do a demo. Two things I want to cover in this demo. Number one is how to create a watch list. A watch list is a group where you can add different stocks. So I'll show you an example. So if you go to my watch list here, I have a few groups that I've created. For example, I have cryptocurrencies. So you see under my cryptocurrency group or watch list, I have a few cryptocurrency stocks that I put here. I have another group that I call tech companies. So if you look at my tech companies, you have Amazon, you have Box, you have Apple, you have Microsoft. So this is what the watch list is used for. How do you create a watch list? It's very straightforward. Scroll all the way to the left here, you see watch list. So if I want to create a watch list, you come all the way here, you see where it says edit watch list. So you click edit watch list, you scroll down, there's something below here that says add watch list. So you create this, you click on this add watch list, it'll tell you what do you want to create. For example, I'm just going to make up something. I'll say ABC. Okay, no, let's use a name that makes sense. So we can say low beta stocks. So that's the name of the watch list. I want to be able to store those stocks in that grouping. So I can say save. Oh, it says it already exists. So I can say low beta stocks 2. So if you scroll all the way down, you see that this new group we just created, it's right here. I'll drag it all the way up so that way it's very visible from the top. So let's see. So you have your low beta stocks here. See, it's on here. Alright, so once that's done, you just cancel. So we go to this graph here that says stocks. So let's say there's a particular stock I'm looking for. So let's look at Fubo. There's a space up here that says search. So you type what you're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for Fubo TV. I click on that. It's going to bring up Fubo. So you can see the view. So I'm using a 2-hour view. So in order for me to add this to that group I just created, you right click. Just 1 second. So you right click and it says add to wish list. So I can take this and I come here and I add it to my low beta stock 2 that I just created. Alright, see with this blue it shows that it's been added. So if I go back to my wish list now and look for my low beta stock, you see that this stock I just added is here. The reason you do this is because each time you need to trade this particular stock, instead of going to search for that stock, once you've added it to your watch list, it's easy to just take it from there and start trading. Now that we've gone over how to add a stock to a watch list, so in my own case, you see I have a lot of watch lists. I have EV, electric vehicles, you have QuantumScape, you have Volkswagen. These are all stocks that I've added to my watch list. So let's go back to low beta stock 2. So go back to Fubo TV that we just added. To trade this is very easy. Now I'm going to do a live trading section, and when I have a one-on-one section with my client, I will go over how this works. So let's look at this. This is the logic. So the way to buy is whenever you see this line which indicates the price of the stock. So currently you see that it's around 27.72, that's why you see the line is here. So that shows the price of the stock. Whenever the price goes out of this black pool, you see this black pool. Whenever it comes out of this black pool, it's an indicator that the price is going to go up. So in this case, you right click. If you right click, it says new order. So there are two ways to trade. If you're going to buy stock, you see there's a bid price and there's an ask price. So you see automatically it's on buy. So there are two ways to trade. It's either you trade, you say limits. Limits is to say, you know what, yes, the current buy price is 27.7, but I don't want to buy at that price. I want to buy at a lower price. I want to buy at 23.89. So you see, you can choose, or let's say I want to buy at $26. So you just type in the price, how many units you want to buy. Let's say in this case, I want to buy 50 units. It will tell you what that's gonna be. So you see 50 units at 26. You can also choose, let's say for any reason the stock price goes down to 23. So you can choose and say, you know what, if it goes below this, close out and I'll take a loss of $130. You can also set a limit price to take profit. So let's say I want to take profit at $30. So if I choose to take $30 profit at 30, you see my profit is going to be $200. So that's really how this works. It's really straightforward, to be honest. Um, then, so that's one way. The other way is to buy at the market price. So you can choose to purchase at the market price, which means it will purchase at this market price of 27.70. So you see, it will cost you 1385. So you click on place order. The good thing about this is when you click on place order, it doesn't just purchase automatically. It will give you a summary. So let's see. We're planning to buy at 50 units at the current market price of 27.65 or whatever it is. This is how much it's going to cost us, $1,400. And like I said, if we wanted to say, you know what, if the price goes below the entry price and goes to about 24.93, we want to take a loss. You see, if you take a loss, you see that your 1400 becomes 1246. But if the price goes up like we think it's gonna go, if it goes all the way to 30 and you take a profit, you see, you take a profit and you make 1500. So your 1400 becomes 1500. So you make $100. So in a nutshell, this is how it really works. This is this is just a simple demonstration. I'm gonna do a video to do a live trading where we can do it live and see how to really trade and make money. So that's that. So again, as a recap, watch list. You click watch list. You go to this and you scroll all the way down. Then you can add watch list. Like I said, you choose your watch list name. You type the name and you save. Then you come back out. You come here to the stocks. You can go to your watch list and see whatever you're looking for. So penny stock, for example, you see it's there. Then if you want to trade, like I said, anytime it goes out of this black pool, you purchase. Then if it goes up, you can sell. So that's really how this works. Our next video would be a live trading section. And again, I'm going to add the link there. With the link, you can actually see, we'll go through a live section. And once you create your account, I can schedule some time with you and we can set up your indicators and get you started. All right, thanks. I will see you again in the next video.